Introducing the IGO EZCHAIR LUX. In order to fold, push on the lever and fold down. To unfold, simply pull on the backrest until it clips into place. The EZCHAIR LUX comes with two 24 volt 6 amp hour batteries that will make it airline approved. The chair weighs 25 kilograms and can carry a person up to the weight of 130 kilograms. The charge time is 6 hours and the range 25 to 30 kilometers. The EZCHAIR LUX comes with automatic brakes as standard. To release, push both levers forward, then you are able to push the chair. In order to use the chair, both brakes need to be in the engaged position. To power the chair on, you have a on button. This is your battery indicator and your speed indicator. To decrease speed or increase speed, you have a hooter and your off button. In order to operate the chair, it needs to be on and then push the joystick in the desired direction. In order to lift the armrest, release the locking tab and lift. You will also find your charging socket under the control unit.